If you're not new to my channel, I promise I'm not reneging on my promise. This wig is only for photo shoot purposes. Let's get ready, let's get at it, and let's go. Let's jump right into it. So first, of course, I have to bring these baby hairs back. I just converted this from my slick back video. If you haven't seen my slick back video, please go watch that. So definitely use the edge wax from Murray's because that slicks my edges back, slicks my hair back, slicks everything back like no other. So just hurried up, slick that back, and had to make sure the edges was out the way because glue is being applied and these edges have to be safe. We are not playing when it comes to these edges, honey. We are not. So next, I get this cap. Again, this was a temporary, just put a wig on, get ready for a photo shoot. So I definitely was not about to do the meltdown method. It was just too much. I used my foundation. Well, this is an old foundation actually, but it worked perfectly. So I'm gonna always use this foundation for wigs. But I used foundation, covered the parts that the wig was gonna be on. Okay, I'm back, you guys, because I just listened to this voiceover and I sounded real blah. I just woke up. It's like 6 in the morning, so bear with me. I usually have a cheery voice, but like today I'm just like, So we're back. We're back. We're back. So now for the cleanup, because y'all know them foreheads be dirty. I'm just laying down, I'm joking. Get the alcohol, wipe the perimeter so the glue can be more tacky. It can stick better. Because, yeah, you don't need no non-stickless glue. I got the ghost buns, putting it on there. Get that first coat down and running. I use an old makeup brush to, like, scoop the... Girl, dang, you running out of glue? I get the old makeup brush to, like, scoot it back and, like, spread it evenly. So that works for me. It doesn't stick to everything. And it actually just does perfectly. Ever since I've been using this, it worked. Now get that blow dryer. Make that stuff seep into your head like you don't have no... There should be no white stuff. None. Okay, it could be a little white stuff because it's only the first coat. But once you get that second coat, make sure, like right now, apply that second coat. When it's like, you know, pretty much dry, apply that second coat. Yeah, I'm tripping with this glue. I have glue in there. I don't know why it's acting like that. Ooh. Y'all see that? Like, it's acting like messing up my tutorial. We are supposed to be a team. But yeah, spread it out again. It's literally the same, like, cycle. You just, you know, glue, spread. What is that thing called? Blow dry. But yeah, so we just gonna blow dry this and make sure that it gets to the form where it's tacky. I blow dry on cool because it gets tacky faster, just in my opinion. Even though I don't like the cool air on my head, so like sometimes I will like switch it throughout. I'm very crazy when it comes to stuff being on me. Like, I hate it. But okay, let's get started. What are you doing, girl? You don't even know what you're doing. Did something break or something? You see, I'm so anal when it comes to stuff. I'm in the middle of a tutorial just moving stuff and probably cleaning. I have issues. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, literally throughout, like, the breaks of the video, I literally clean up everything I don't need and then proceed with the video. I have problems. I guess it's not really a problem necessarily. I mean, I just like clean stuff. But okay, anyways, so we're back. Got the wig. I'm pushing everything back. So I didn't blow dry it completely. I'm letting it kind of air dry while I prep this wig. I should have prepped the wig before, but I don't have a wig cap. I need to get one, honestly, but I don't have like that firm wig cap, so I kind of have to do everything by hand. So I just take the foam and basically push all the edges back because I do not want any of the edges sticking to the glue. Now it's time to apply the wig. Again, I had to make sure all them baby hairs are back. If you've ever glued like the little strings of hair to your forehead, it's not fun. It's not. So make sure those baby hairs are pushed back. So now I go in with my favorite tool, the blow dryer. This blow dryer is key for a lot of stuff. If you don't have a blow dryer, get a blow dryer, okay? It's key. It is key. So I go in with the blow dryer, just make sure everything is just kind of sticking down onto my forehead. And then I come in with my little, this is actually the little wig slip thing that you put under the wig so it doesn't slip. I don't use it for that. It's too bulky and my head is too small. The wigs be too big. It just does not work. So I use it to lay down the actual wig, like the little edge part. So it's sticking to my hair. Right now I'm combing out the hair because, girl, I don't know why, but this hair gets tangled so fast, but it's not bad hair. I don't know. But take that blow dryer. Again, blow dryer is key. And just blow dry it. Now I am back listening to music like always because I am a musical I am a musical butterfly. What? Musical. But now I'm just part in the middle because I definitely need a middle part for this shoot. So I'm just part in the middle. It took me a minute, y'all. I suck at parting. If you know anything about me, if you've been on this channel, I suck at parting. So I'm definitely going to take that mousse and try to even it out as much as possible. And I'm probably, knowing me, yes, did exactly what I thought I was going to do. I'm going to go back in there and I'm going to try to make that part even. And it still wasn't even enough for me, y'all. I really need to be nicer to myself because it's literally not that serious. So that is something that I need to work on in 2022. I need to work on being nicer to myself. But yeah, take that hot comb. Oh, in the beginning, the reason why I look like that is because it's my sister's hot comb that she been asking for, that she said I had, and I told her I didn't. So yeah, don't tell her because I'm pretty sure she been stopped watching this video. So we're good. But if she accidentally looks up and watches it, then we're not good. So I'm taking the mousse for both of the sides and I'm scooping everything up just to make sure that, you know, it's not just pressed to the front of my head. Like, I have to make it look like, you know, it's giving scalp. That side is giving a lot of scalp because I have a bald spot in the front. But hey, who's complaining? I'm not, right? Right? Okay. Time to flat iron. This is gonna be a little short snippet because I'm not gonna sit here and bore you guys with just flat ironing my hair. So I definitely time lapse this. If you don't know what time lapse is, it's basically like a little gadget that is on. I said gadget. That's not. Oh my gosh, I can't explain it like that. But it's a little like little thing on iPhone. Look, you see how it's going really fast? It basically fits a lot of time into a short amount of time. Yeah. I'm funny. But yeah, so I'm just flat ironing the hair. It flat irons very well, so that's good. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing. I'm pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and make sure you come back and see your girl. Finished product, yes. I missed the wigs, y'all. I was feeling so not myself with my hair, but I'm getting there, y'all. Thank you guys.